Wig review that I'm super excited about because it's from my good friends over there at BeautyForeverHair. I absolutely love them. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know that I upload a Beauty Forever wig almost once a week. That's how much I love their hair. If you're new here, that's how we do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company a couple of times to vet them because there are three things that I'm looking for: affordability, is it easy, and quality. Beauty Forever checked off those boxes a long time ago, so I love ordering hair from them. The only thing I've done is take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with you guys, so let's do that. The wig comes in this nice bowling bag. I know y'all get tired of me showing this, but I really do like this bowling bag style because I can use this for more than just wig storage. I can do whatever I want with this. It could be my toiletry bag, it could be an emergency bag, it could be a whole bag, it could be whatever you need, right? There's so much that you can do with these. So I do love the bag that it comes in compared to the box, because with those I can store more because it goes flat. Okay, now that I'm done talking about what is held in, and before we get to the wig though, let's talk about what else they give. They also give a silk storage case with their branding on it. Take the stuff from out of here. Along with that, we have an edge band with their branding on it. Some HD wig caps, some pre-everything tabs that I absolutely love, and some press-on nails, extras that I will actually use. The wig then comes in this little plastic bag. I'm gonna read the details directly out here, but like I said, I'll put them in the description box. This is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. Wait till I show you the pre-everything. It is in a beautiful color, TL412. It is 20 inches long and it's a body wave. I absolutely love this color and I love a pre-everything. So let's take it out of this packaging and look at the cap construction. So you remember I said when I'm checking things off to make sure I like a wig, I said affordability, quality, and is it easy? Y'all, this wig comes just like this out of the pack. I couldn't get these curls if I wanted to. I definitely couldn't achieve this color if I wanted it. I couldn't pluck this like it is plucked. I couldn't do any of that. That's why I love Beauty Forever. They are the ultimate beginner-friendly unit. I just reviewed a wig just like this from them. I'll try to, if I don't put the footage here, I'll try to remember to link it below because I'm not sure what order I'm uploading them. But these pre-everything wigs, look at that. Pre-everything wigs are just gorgeous, okay? As far as the cap construction goes, you get that 13x4 parting space. They've already put two of the pre-everything tabs on there. I use those tabs with all my wigs if I'm going out because it keeps it so secure on my head. They've also included a glueless adjustable band, which is nice. In the back, we get a comb and some adjustable straps. And this cap is very, very stretchy. I know I've had so many wigs just like this from Beauty Forever, so I know it's super comfortable on my head. Absolutely gorgeous. What we're going to do is I'm going to put this on my head, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts so we can discuss this beautiful unit. Be right back. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and every day. All I want to hear is that bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. Now I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel as always with Beauty Forever, you guys, I am in love. This wig is literally a pre-everything wig. Pre-plucked, pre-colored, pre-curled. Everything has been done for you. All you have to do is take this out of the pack, place it, adjust to your head, and put it on. This is absolutely gorgeous. I also think that this coloring on this wig is so flattering on so many different skin tones. Y'all know I normally go for like a cool ashy blonde, but this 412 that Beauty Forever has done on this wig is so pretty. I actually have reviewed a 412 wig from them that is just a yaki straight, and it is gorgeous as well. I don't have a single complaint about this. Look, I can get my hands straight through it. These curls, I brushed them, but look how they just bounce right back. So this one is definitely a win, and this is one that I think you should definitely check out. If you look in that description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this unit, as well as all the details. Y'all tell me in the comments and tell me what your thoughts are on this unit. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.